Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share a very simple South Indian recipe. In Telugu, it's called Kodiguddu Pulusu. It's basically boiled eggs made in a sour tamarind gravy. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Mustard seeds, cumin seeds, Chana Dal, Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon each, few curry leaves, half an onion diced, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed powder, 1 teaspoon of methi and cumin seed powder, around 6 eggs, and 2 cups of tamarind juice. 2 ways to make tamarind juice. You can take fresh tamarind, soak it in water for around 30 minutes and extract the juice out of it. Or you can find a tamarind concentrate in any Indian store. Use around 2 tablespoons of the concentrate and add 2 cups of water to it. Let's take a quick look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode. The inner pot is hot, so now I'm gonna add oil to it. The oil is hot, so I'm gonna add the cumin, mustard seeds and dal and let them fry for a minute. You can notice good aroma coming out of it and they are spluttering. So now I'm gonna add curry leaves, add the diced onion and let the onion fry in the oil for 2 minutes. To speed up the process, I'm gonna add salt at this point and also add in the turmeric powder. Onion is cooked well and you can notice it turning translucent. So now add ginger garlic paste and wait till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away. Let it fry for 2 minutes and you should be good. Ginger garlic paste is fried well, so now I'm gonna add red chili powder. Just give it a quick mix. The red chili powder cooks super fast and if you leave it in the oil for a long time, it's gonna burn. Add tamarind juice to it. You can check for salt at this point and add it. Now add the stand and you can place eggs on top of it. You can get the stand in Amazon. I'll try to leave the link in the video description below. If you don't have the stand, you can pre-cook the eggs and then add it directly into the sauce. Now close the lid. Turn off saute mode. Turn on manual or pressure cook. Set to 5 minutes and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. So I have let the pressure release naturally and the safety valve is down. So now I'm gonna open the lid. The eggs are cooked well, so I'm gonna take them into a separate bowl. Now turn on saute mode. Add sesame seed powder and add coriander powder. Also add methi and cumin seed powder and let it boil for around 5 minutes. And in meanwhile, I'm gonna peel the eggs. So while it's simmering, I'm gonna add some gashes to the egg. This gives a very good taste and I'm gonna add this back into the soup. So I have let it simmer for around 5 minutes and you can see the oil floating on top of this. So this is at a good consistency and now I'm gonna top it off with cilantro and this is ready to be served. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.